Want to know how you can start making $100 a day on Facebook with just a few clicks? Well, it's easier than ever if you didn't. Nowadays, you can make thousands of money with Facebook with just simple work. Only 1,000 friends on your Facebook personal account will make your earning journey begin. Do you know how? Don't worry. Just stick up to the end of this video since I'm going to show you how to convert your personal account into a monetizable account. On top of that, I will show you an amazing AI tool which you will use to maximize your daily earnings. So if you have a Facebook account which has at least 1,000 friends or above, this video is very important for you. And for those who do not have Facebook accounts or friends above 1,000, register an account now and start to send friend requests. You can get those 1,000 friends in a single day. Since it is very easy to get friends on Facebook, just send friend requests to as many people as you can and wait for approval. So without wasting time, let's get started. First step, let's convert a Facebook personal account into a monetizable page. I registered a new Facebook account for learning purposes since my main Facebook account has already monetized. So log into your Facebook account, then click here on account icon. Then scroll down till you find these three dots. Then find the statement, turn on professional mode, and click on it. Then confirm by click on turn on. And from there, you are done back to your Facebook account and you will see some changes. It will change from friends to followers as the features of the page. As you can see here, I have 65 followers and 9 following. Congratulations, your account can be monetizable since the first requirement, which is very hard, is to have 1,000 followers. So if you have friends 5,000 and above, now you have 5,000 followers already. Easy, right? So let's complete more monetization steps. At the right side of your account, you will find a new statistics icon, so click on it. From there, you will find steps to reach monetization. And I have completed 17% of step 1. But there are 3 steps to complete so as to start getting paid by Facebook. Click on See All Levels to unlock more steps. The first step you will complete in 1 minute because it requires only to click and follow simple instructions. Use a mobile phone so as to complete this step successfully. So click on the first instruction and follow it. Then go to the next up to the last. And from there you will be directed to step 2. On step 2, which requires you to explore advanced tools, create new public content, explore Reels tools, and reach 50 new plays on your Reels. It may take 1 day to complete this step, since the hard part is on reaching 50 plays on Reels. And here the role of our AI tool will come into play so as to get those 50 plays quickly. And the final step is step 3, which is the monetization step. Requirement of this step is to grow to 1,000 followers or friends and create new public content. So, if you already have 1,000 followers, this step will be easy for you, since the hard requirement of these steps is to have 500 plays on Reels, and that part will be simplified by the AI tool that I'm going to share with you. So, by quick rating, Facebook monetization is very easy. If you have 1,000 friends, and you can create hitting Reels, which will give you 500 play and above. About having 1,000 followers, we have solved it. Now let's move to the remaining part on how to create viral Facebook Reels, which will give you more views. The AI tool, which will enable you to create viral Facebook Reel with a single click, is Clipwise.ai. With Clipwise.ai, you will be able to create viral Facebook Reels with a single click. You don't need some editing experience since you can quickly repurpose popular Reels that already exist, giving them a fresh spin by using a video link and monetizing them easily. So first things first, you need to sign up for Clipwise.ai. Click the link in the description below. You will be directed to this page here. Hit the sign up button, then sign up using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a super simple dashboard that will help you get started with your Reels in no time. Clipwise.ai is specifically designed to make creating short-form content as easy as possible. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll need to find a viral short video either from Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok. In this video, I will use YouTube Shorts, so head over to YouTube, then search for how to increase booty with exercise. I chose this topic because its shorts go viral everywhere. The most popular niches are like fitness, lifestyle, or travel. As you can see here, this short has 4.4 million views, and this one has 7.6 million views. So I will choose this one by clicking on it, then click on Share, and copy the video link. From there, I will go back to Clipwise to start making my video. Here are some descriptions on how to create a video. It says that you need to provide a short prompt and description about your video and add a video link. So I will create a short video about how to increase booty with exercise using tricks from this video link, then paste our video link. Then at the top, I will click on a language and choose the language I like. Clipwise has different languages that you can use. Then I will select the video length from 30 to 60 seconds. I will choose 45 second. Then I will choose a pace, either regular or accelerated. Then at the bottom, I will choose a video theme, either anime, which is for kids, cinematic, or click on See All to see more themes of my video. There are many themes you can use. You can filter it, then choose the one you like. Once done, click on Generate, where you will be directed to this page. Scroll down, you will find voiceover section here. You will choose appropriate voice according to your video. For this video, I will choose a women voice. You can see more voiceover NY. Click on See All, then filter the voice according to tone, age, mood, and others. After choose the voice, cut it, then scroll down. You will find video avatar. Depending on your video, you can choose any video avatar you like, but for this video, I will not use any avatar. So I will choose None. Then scroll down. You will see a script review, where here you can modify anything you want. For example, you can click on any image, then click on Edit icon, and click on Regenerate. New image will be generated, or you can click on Add More to have more image. After modification, click on Next, where you will be direct to this page, where at first you will need to choose a background music. Clipwise has many background music for me. I will choose that suggested by AI, but you can listen one by one and choose any one you like. You can decrease the volume to allow transition sound on Not. Then at the bottom, you will find a caption style. You can change the caption front style, location of the caption, or color of the caption. Once done at the button, you will video overlay, where you can choose any video overlay by click on it, then play the video to see how it looks. But I will use the once suggested by A.I, and then click on Next, where your video will be generated within 2 minutes. And finally, my video is ready. You can preview the new reel right here. Clipwise.ai automatically creates engaging short videos optimized for virality. Once you're happy with it, all you need to do is download the reel and get ready to upload it to Facebook. After downloading it, I can play it to see how it looks like. So amazing! This very nice short created by Clipwise. So click the link in the description below to start creating amazing content like this. The final step is to upload your video on Facebook. This is a very simple step, but make sure the title of your video resembles the description and prompt provided. For example, in this video, I can write a title like Increase Your Booty Size with this simple exercise. So you can upload at least 2 videos per day. I'm sure 1 week will be enough for you to reach Facebook monetization requirements. But if you want to create unlimited video in Clipwise, you need to pay for subscription, which costs $10 per month for yearly subscription, and you will be able to generate 40 videos per month, or you can pay $20 per month and generate unlimited video. For monthly subscription, it costs $25 per month for 4.0 videos and $39 per month for unlimited videos. Videos from Clipwise are performing better in all social media, including Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Millions of people use Clipwise to generate thousands of dollars online. Don't be lazy. Start your side hustle today. For more money-making tips, watch the video showing up on the screening to start making money online with CPA Marketing Self-Click. With that trick, you don't need to promote any video or link. Only internet connection and mobile phone or your computer will enable you to generate at least $2 online. See you there.